Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create stock column chart in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data, product column and total price. To create chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data, then go to the insert tab in charts group. Click on the first option column or bar charts and here in 2D column there are three types of the column charts available. So here I'm going to create a stock column. Select the second option and here you can see no column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. If you want to change the chart style, just go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and keep cursor on the chart style and you can check here the preview of the charts. See here, just click on it to apply the chart style. After that, if you want to increase the size of the column chart, okay, just drag the corner point and you can easily increase the size of the stuck column chart. Okay. And if you want to change the layout, again go to the chart design. In chart layouts, click on the quick layout option and here you can see different layout is available. So see the preview of the layout and select those you want. So I select this one. Okay. So this is the way you can change the layout also. And if you want to move the chart in sheet number 2, you can easily move this. Go to the chart design in location group, click on the move chart. In move chart, choose where you want the chart to be placed. In object in sheet number 1 is selected, click on this drop down arrow and click on the sheet number 2 and click on OK. And here you can see in sheet number 1, its chart is not available. It's move in sheet number 2. Okay. If you want to change the chart type, go to the chart design in change chart type. Here you can see the one dialog box is open, change chart type. You can select here the different chart also and you can easily change your chart type quickly. You can see the preview. Here I select the line chart in line stuck chart, stuck line chart. Click on OK and that's it. Here you can see you can easily change chart type also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.